If you've ever struggled with food sticking to the bottom of your saucepan, uneven heating that burns your sauces, or cookware that's a nightmare to clean afterward, you're definitely not alone. The right saucepan can make everyday cooking feel effortless. But does the CAROTE Nonstick saucepan set actually deliver on that promise? Let's find out. The CAROTE Nonstick 1.5Qt and 3.0Qt saucepan set is designed for home cooks who want reliable cookware for everyday meals without spending premium cookware prices. Whether you're making oatmeal before work, simmering soup for dinner, heating pasta sauce, or preparing homemade gravy, this set aims to make cooking simpler and clean up faster. If you'd like to check the latest price, you can find a direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, this cookware makes a strong first impression. The black exterior gives it a clean, modern look that fits almost any kitchen, while the stay cool handle feels comfortable and secure even during longer cooking sessions. The pans are lightweight enough to lift with one hand when pouring, but still feel solid enough that they don't come across as flimsy. One thoughtful touch is the pouring spout, which makes transferring soups, sauces, or melted butter much neater than with a traditional saucepan. Small details like this often make a bigger difference than you'd expect during everyday cooking. The nonstick interior is really the highlight here. Instead of worrying about eggs sticking, milk scorching, or oatmeal leaving behind a stubborn mess, food releases surprisingly easily with very little oil or butter. That not only makes cooking more enjoyable, but also helps speed up cleanup afterward. Since the interior doesn't have exposed rivets, there are fewer places for food to collect, so a quick wipe or gentle wash is often enough to get the pan ready for the next meal. Performance is where this saucepan set feels most practical. The stainless steel base spreads heat evenly across the cooking surface, helping reduce hot spots that can burn delicate sauces or soups. Water heats up fairly quickly, sauces simmer consistently, and smaller portions cook without requiring constant attention. For everyday recipes, the heat distribution feels balanced and predictable, which is exactly what most home cooks are looking for. The pans are also compatible with all major stovetop types, making them a versatile option whether you cook on gas, electric, ceramic, or induction. Because they're lightweight, moving the pans from the stove to the sink is easy, even when they're full. The lids fit securely to help retain heat while cooking, and the overall design makes the cookware comfortable for beginners as well as experienced home cooks. Cleaning is refreshingly simple, especially if you avoid using abrasive utensils that could shorten the life of the nonstick coating. While the set is labeled dishwasher safe, hand washing is still the better choice if you want the coating to stay in great condition for years. Of course, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. Like most nonstick cookware, these pans aren't designed for extremely high heat cooking or for use with metal utensils. If you're someone who frequently sears meat at maximum heat or prefers heavy cast iron cookware, this set probably isn't the best fit. The lightweight construction also means it doesn't have the same premium feel as significantly more expensive stainless steel cookware, but that's an expected trade-off at this price point rather than a flaw. Compared with similarly priced saucepan sets from brands like Tefal or Greenlife, the CAROTE set stands out thanks to its smooth granite-based non-stick coating, thoughtful pouring spout, rivet-free interior, and attractive design. While premium cookware brands may offer longer-lasting materials, CAROTE delivers an excellent balance of convenience, everyday performance, and affordability that will satisfy most households. Overall, the CAROTE Nonstick 1.5Qt and 3.0Qt saucepan set is a smart choice for anyone looking to upgrade their everyday cookware without overspending. It's especially well suited for busy families, students, first apartments, and home cooks who prepare soups, sauces, oatmeal, pasta, and other daily recipes regularly. It makes cooking easier, cleanup faster, and everyday meal prep a little less stressful. If you're looking for dependable non-stick saucepans that combine easy maintenance, even heating, and everyday practicality, this CAROTE set is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.